Want to boost user interaction on your Modula galleries, but having a hard time figuring out how? Why not try enabling comments for your gallery images? With the Modula Comments add-on, you can easily enable commenting on any gallery. Edit the gallery. Scroll to the Comments section. Enable the Comments option. Update your gallery. Modula Comments follows WordPress's built-in discussion settings. These options help you control how comments work on your site. For example, require name and email, pagination, manual approval, show avatars. After enabling and configuring your comments option, visitors can click on any image in your gallery, then add their desired comment in the lightbox. Visitors can add their name, email, and comment. Note: logged-in users skip name and email. Users can also reply to existing comments, sparking discussions and interactions. To manage image comments, go to your WordPress dashboard and click on the Comments section. Make your galleries interactive with Modula Comments.